Hi guys, today I want to show you how to install the hammer tuning kit on a Snowpeak AP900 or Mercury, or in the States this gun is called Venturi Alpha. So one of the big disadvantage of those guns is the fact that the hammer is not tunable, and when it comes from the factory, the hammer is really heavy, way too heavy for most of the regular settings. So this will, with air, make the gun louder. So today we're gonna fix that. So first of all, make sure your gun is safe. No pellet in the chamber. You recommend to release all the pressure. We have this release valve here. Make sure the gun is uncocked before you start to release all the pressures. So using your 2mm hex key, loosen up the pin here holding the cocking lever. So be careful when you remove the cocking lever. There are two shims, one at the top, one at the bottom. Don't lose them. And now you can go ahead and punch out this little pin here. I already removed it once, so it's fairly loose for me. I'll just push it out. Now you can remove the black piece and the factory spring. So you notice it's much thicker and longer than the aftermarket one. So in the kit you'll find a aftermarket spring and a few shims. I'll show you the chart here. So here's the shim stack configuration. It's gonna be on our website, by the way. And on the right side, it's percentage of hammer energy as compared to the factory one. So you can see if I don't put any shims, you have about 30% of your factory hammer strike energy, and if you put all the shims in there, you have about 85% of your factory hammer energy. So this gun, it's below 500 FPS here in Canada, so we'll just go ahead and maybe install a shim that's gonna give us half of the factory one, so red, green, and white. So there you go. The order doesn't really matter how it goes in, so just put it in the black plastic piece here. Okay, and just insert the aftermarket spring. Do not use your factory spring with the shims, because it's gonna make your hammer even heavier and it might cause some damage to your gun. So there you go. So you can insert the pin here. I won't make it tight. And install the cocking lever. Be careful, don't lose your shims. Just be careful when you put it in. And line up the holes. Okay. And screw in the pin here. And then you're done. It's much softer. Thanks for watching.